We have another tragedy on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. Her name is Aunt Pam.
Oh, shit. In her hoopty car.
We asked Justin why does she like to drive her car, because it is such a hoopty.
You know what? He didn't answer us.
He was upset that we called his mom a hoopty.
We can never drink anything.
Nah. Hoopty mobile, driving down the road. You can imagine it when he honks the horn. That's how hoopty it is.
And her wig, too.
Oh my god, I swear. When she brought us nigger cake home today, she was like, here you
What
go.
does milk make our breath smell?
I just fart though. But no, she was like, here, have some nigger cake. And I was like, oh, thank you for the nigger cake. I will enjoy this. That was very intense. You're like, why are you so close up to the screen? Thank you. You went the wrong way. That back in your mouth. I just
You spilled milk everywhere. Look at my mouse thing.
How'd you clean it up?
With a towel. I quit. I'm done.